Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I'm starting to really admire these black flowered Helleborus hybridus, the Lenten rose, the modern Lenten roses, which now come in such a wide range of colors, and not only singles, but you can see this is a double. This is a seedling from a seed strain called Onyx Odyssey, and a lot of them are really beautiful like this one, but I think in part the black flowers are set off by this vivid green foliage. So they're really beautiful additions to the garden. I think these dark colored ones are best in a location where you'll see them up close, because if you plant them, where people aren't going to see them, close up, they might not see them at all. But there's another modern hybrid, not a Lenten rose, but one of the modern Helleborus iburgensis called Charmer, and it really is a charmer. The iburgensis are complex hybrids, and one of their parents is Helleborus lividus, and from the lividus parent you get these leaves with pretty pale veins through the leaves. So when it's not in bloom, for most of the year you have this really pretty foliage to look at. But they're in bloom for, 3 months, starting in midwinter and going into well into spring. And the iburgensis are now, there are many selections. Many of them have names like Penny's pink and Anna's red and Molly's white and similar names like that, but they're all really good garden plants. And whereas the modern Lenten roses are fertile, and if you let the seed drop, you'll get seedlings in the garden, and they'll be a bit like a litter of mongrel puppies, in that some will look like mom and others will look like dad, and others you're not sure who the parents are. So it's best if you don't let them go to seed, so your original plant remains true. But the complex hybrids like these iburgensis are sterile, so they do not make any seed, and if they don't make any seed, then there's no seedlings, which makes for a lower maintenance plant in the garden. We cut the spent flowers off when they're no longer attractive and before the seed starts to ripen, so we don't get the carpets of seedlings that you would otherwise if you let the seed mature and drop. The hellebores are easy, long-lived additions to a shade garden. Could be part shade to full day shade if it's not too dark, and just average soil. I'd avoid a soggy spot, but otherwise they're adaptable to a wide range of soil. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.